Can I vent a bathroom fan through the eaves? I want to fit a fan in our bathroom. The easiest way to do this seems to be to drill down from the loft and put it in directly above the shower. I'm then considering running the vent flex pipe through the loft and tape it to the vents already in the eaves. Can anyone say whether this is acceptable, or is it likely to create damp in the eaves? Question from user Paul Michaels at Stack Exchange. Answer: you should use a separate outlet for the pipe, as the existing vents won't be able to cope with the volume of air and you'll probably end up with steam in the loft. Did you buy a kit or separate components? If you've got a kit, then there should be an outlet grill in that. If not, you should be able to get one at the same place you bought the fan and flex pipe. Answer from user Chris F at Stack Exchange.